Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will erase and restore the device, so first make sure your iPhone or iPad is charged and on a stable Wi-Fi network. Sign into the same Apple ID that holds the iCloud backup. Once done, go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer or Reset Device right arrow Erase all content and settings. Follow prompts to confirm. This begins the only supported iCloud restore flow. Make sure you saved any unsynced photos or documents elsewhere, because erasing removes local data instantly. During the initial setup assistant, you'll reach Apps and Data. Select Restore from iCloud Backup and sign in with your Apple ID. You will see a list of backups with dates and sizes. Choose the most relevant one. While the restore downloads, keep the device connected to the same Wi-Fi and power source. Pausing or switching networks can stall app downloads. The system restores settings first, then apps and media. You'll see a progress bar, and some content continues downloading after the home screen appears. Once the restore completes, sign into any apps that require passwords and allow background downloads to finish. You may notice photos and messages appear gradually. If the process stalls, restart the device, reconnect to a strong Wi-Fi, and ensure you're signed into the correct Apple ID, then resume. Make sure iCloud Backup shows the expected timestamp in Settings right arrow Apple ID, right arrow iCloud, right arrow iCloud Backup. If a backup is missing, verify the account and that the backup finished on the original device before erasing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.